What are you doing?
I'm watching Popcorn Pop.
How was your week?
It was fine. And how was yours?
It was okay. How was opening at school?
It was good until Sparks Fly started.
So you guys play and then you don't want Sparkfly to start.
Like Sparks Fly at the end is fine because we can have Sparks Fly in the middle. There's playing.
You guys just want to play. You guys play after Sparks Fly.